Welcome back to Hero's Journey Health, where we empower your epic one day at a time. Today, we're diving into how busy professionals and superparents can weave fitness seamlessly into their jam-packed schedules. Stay tuned to transform your daily grind into a powerhouse of productivity and health. Let's get moving. First up, let's tackle the myth that you don't have time for a workout. You do! Here are quick, sweat-busting exercises that can fit into any nook of your day. Think 10-minute high-intensity interval training or HIIT sessions, resistance band workouts, or a brisk set of bodyweight exercises right by your desk. And yes, these can be squeezed in before that morning coffee brews or right between your Zoom or Teams calls. Next, let's talk fuel. Cooking every meal fresh? Unlikely hero story for the time strapped. Instead, try bulk prepping your protein and veggies for the week. Then, simply add a variety of carbs like quinoa, sweet potatoes, or brown rice as you go. This approach not only saves time but also ensures you're well nourished for mental clarity and physical stamina. Because remember, your brain loves those nutrients as much as your muscles do. Now, how about making fitness a natural part of your day? Instead of emailing the colleague 5 desks away, how about a walk and talk meeting? Or start your day with a Zone 2 run or a yoga session to boost circulation and clear your mind. These little changes not only add up to big health benefits but also keep your energy levels consistently high. All this moving matters because when you exercise, your brain releases a protein called BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which has been called miracle grow for the brain. It boosts cognitive functions and may just give you that edge in your next board meeting or presentation. So, think of your workout not just as gym time, but as prep time for your next big career leap. Incorporating these strategies can lead to lasting changes in both your health and your professional success. For more tips and tricks on forging your fitness and fueling your future, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and turn on notifications for our next video. Thank you for watching.